Area hello, they welcome to Football and Pidgin. After match, look how you say Barcelona 0 and Bayern Munich 3. We get Oga Shawzy, we be like saying Ogbonge football fan, Ogbonge Arsenal fan. Make on tell us about how instead the performance from both sides. Over 2 legs for this match. Barcelona just collect wutu. 6 goals on aggregate. Now they collect. How you see the performance from Bayern Munich and Barcelona?
Well, firstly, the result not shock me. You dey get. If you watch teams where we say that they carry all star, they carry this one, they carry that one, they not they feel they deliver when the world need them. But it's just a very painful say 2 leg back and off score 1 goal. Even say they will get VRO decision, so they not get them. So it is very painful. And with all everybody way back assigned from all the league, from English league, from Spain, from Germany, for everywhere, still yet they not even qualify past year. If I don't make mistake, then I only one match for myself. Sure, you understand me. So it is very, very poor for Barca. Barca won't know in those days. Not be Barca would they see it. Then go to Bayern Munich. Bayern Munich, they be demon destroyer. Now be the whole suit. Work page 1. If they owe you, they cure your craze. Now the nice now after they finish us for Champions League since then, we never recover. So they see come back again. But this one, I don't know what the Bayern Munich carry come for this Champions League, but I don't say they could try because this Champions League get as it day. You see the likes of Napoli they hold this season. You see also Man City self see there, Liverpool self see there. So I just get they try.
So, but may I ask you now? We don't see with this result now. Barcelona they fall, they go down to the Europa League, and you as an Arsenal fan, your team there for the Europa League. Team like Juventus also, when people say this season, we don't see that they flop,
Yes.
They see they drop, they go down to the Europa League. How you they see the Europa League this season with all these kind top teams normally? We don't see normally they be Champions League materials where they fall down to the Europa League. How you they see the Europa League, the competition for Europa League?
Well, for me, it be like say they go this Europa League now, they go come give Europa people wey go carry Europa, they come give them better money like Champions League. Because if you see the likes of people wey they come this Europa, I can't join people wey dey Europa before. Man, you did there before. Florentina did there. Lazio did there. Real Sociedad did there. Villarreal did there. Can't join all these big team wey be say they come. So make they increase the money because now big competition there on ground. So I believe say this one sef go even get highlights more than Champions League. Because you get where Champions League go reach now. So we know say okay, this one will qualify. But this one now, so I know if you rate Barca above Arsenal, not because say na my club. I see what they play, and I know it's my club self they play. You don't understand. Then Juventus, I cannot rate Juventus above Manchester United. Manchester United they try for this Europa Cup. Sure you understand me. So this Europa is a very big one. I rate and pass even Champions League. So for me, anybody where we say they come, welcome to Europa. Barca, welcome to Europa. Juventus, welcome to Europa. But that will not mean say we not go see collect. You dey get me. Anyhow they want do am, but they go see collect. If we jam them, I believe my boys.
So which teams now you kind of think say be the favorite to win the Europa League this season?
Whether I bias or not bias, so now Arsenal. You don't understand. Whether I bias or not bias, now Arsenal. Nobody go talk say soup not sweet. Whether you use mangi or whether you not use mangi, now Arsenal. With the kind of winning mentality we did, the form we did, Arsenal. If it not be Arsenal self, I see they tip Arsenal on Man U. Forget the back how they come. The way they take on, I see they go say go. The flood where they are around now, so now that flood go see carry them go back. So I know they fear all those people they come. They're not there even for their own league, for their league. Go. This is Barca. I know that they tell you now. This is Barca. This is Juventus. They're not they try for their league.
Barcelona they try past Juventus. I'm not agree.
Barcelona, not they try. I know it now. They tell you now. The way the light of players so they carry.
They're supposed to top man.
They're supposed to top man. Now they not be all star. They sign new striker, sign new winger, sign new midfielder, sign 2 and 3, sign 5 join. Now full 11 team. They do full 11 players and they sign now. Everybody will Chelsea won by the don't carry all of them go. So they're not by now that El Clasico they will lose. They're not supposed to lose. They're supposed to be on beating run.
The best thing.
Forget Madrid.
The best thing for the world like this.
At a time, Barca was winning Madrid when it comes to El Clasico
Messi
back to back.
Messi effect no dey again.
See, what that Messi effect. Okay, at that time, the Ronaldo effect. Ronaldo don't leave the club now, but I know they see they deliver. They see they win Barca. So my point is this: if you make all those, I know if you talk saying Xavi be the problem, because Xavi now carry them go the Champions League. Waiting at they see self say be that people problem. Now those many players, either they never adapt or they're too many. Maybe selection or maybe injury. You understand? If say they leave Xavi, where Xavi they use those small boys, back up or not they get this kind of problem now. Sure, you understand me? How you go to carry Lewandowski, Chiesa there for there, Bellerin there for there. See world class players. You know who score one goal. You not score Bayern Munich, say okay, we score we'll draw. You not work now, you not work. Back at 0.
All right, now, Oga Shorty, thank you for your time.